Welcome to our video on cooking healthy meals for weight loss. Eating healthy is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, but it can be especially important when trying to lose weight. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks for creating delicious and nutritious meals that support your weight loss goals.
Sure. Here are some additional tips and information to expand on the previous answer. Plan your meals ahead of time.
Planning your meals ahead of time can help you make healthier choices and avoid last-minute decisions that may not be as nutritious.
Take some time each week to plan your meals and snacks.
And make a grocery list to ensure you have all the ingredients you need.
Choose whole grains. Replace refined carbohydrates such as
white bread, pasta,
and rice with whole grain options like
brown rice,
quinoa,
and whole wheat bread. Whole grains are higher in fiber, vitamins, and minerals than refined grains. Be mindful of your fat intake. While healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and seeds are important for a healthy diet, it's important to be mindful of your overall fat intake when trying to lose weight. Use oils and fats in moderation, and choose low-fat dairy products. Watch your sugar intake. Consuming too much sugar can contribute to weight gain and other health issues.
Try to limit your intake of sugary foods and drinks,
and opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup instead. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later in the day. Aim to eat 3 meals and 2 snacks each day to keep your energy level stable and prevent overeating.
Use a food scale or measuring cups. Measuring your food portions can help you accurately track your calorie intake
and ensure you are eating the appropriate amount of food for your weight loss goals.
Get creative with your cooking.
Healthy meals don't have to be boring. Experiment with new recipes and cooking methods to keep things interesting and enjoyable.
Remember,
weight loss is not just about what you eat but also about how much you eat and how much physical activity you do. Be sure to incorporate regular exercise and other healthy habits into your lifestyle to support your weight loss goals. Cooking healthy meals for weight loss is achievable with a little bit of planning and effort. We hope this video has provided you with some helpful tips and tricks to create nutritious and satisfying meals that support your weight loss goals.
Remember to choose lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables.
And be mindful of your sugar and fat intake. Measure your portions. Stay hydrated. And get creative with your cooking to keep things interesting and enjoyable. With the right approach, healthy eating can be both satisfying and sustainable.
We hope you like our videos. Subscribe, like and share our videos for more updates.
Thanks for watching.